I'm Nathan Joftis. I'm the founder and chief scientist at Bolt Motorbikes. When was the last time that you really looked forward to your commute across the city? I'm an inventor, and so I set out to solve a problem that my friends and I faced every day, and that's that getting around the city sucks. As a lifelong motorcycle rider, I wanted to create a motorbike that I enjoyed riding, but that you didn't have to be an experienced rider to enjoy. Today, it's my pleasure to introduce you to the M1. It's a smart, fully electric motorbike that's fun and easy to ride. Like a bicycle, you don't need a license, you don't need registration, and you don't need insurance. You've got enough power to climb any hill in the city, keep up with traffic, and you can park them on the sidewalk, so your parking and traffic problems disappear. The M1 is designed for performance and a motorcycle-like experience. But you can go to places on an M1 that you just can't get to on a motorcycle. And you can go faster and farther than any bicycle. It's the ultimate urban transporter. The M1 is city-friendly and low maintenance. But if you want to unlock some real fun, just dial in sport mode for off-road use. And just like a bicycle, the M1 is fast and efficient, and it's totally green. It's a great way to reduce your carbon footprint, but what I really like about it, it's a hell of a lot of fun to ride. When a wheel spins all the way around, it's a complete revolution. At Bolt Motorbikes, we're imagining something astonishing, having fun every day getting around the city. But creating an electric vehicle is a costly endeavor. By supporting our campaign, you're helping us bring these cool motorbikes to production. Many thanks for believing in us. Without you, we wouldn't be where we are today. So thanks again, and keep the rubber side down.
There's only 60 minutes to make the pickup, but someone has to run the gauntlet.
Well, the solar panels are down, and if the wind stops blowing, we're back to the Stone Age, folks.
I'll do it.
Lucky the stealth bike's still half charged.
Should be enough to get you there. Just try not to break it.
As if I could.
The battery should make it home if you take it easy, but don't be late. And remember, don't stop for anyone or anything.
Last chance for petrol? Petrol for your bike. Ah, come on.
Come on, there's 1 minute left. I'm here.
I gave them an hour. 60 seconds.
So you want to come join us?
Yeah, you want to get out of here.
Hey. Hippie girl.
Do you remember the first time you rode a bike? The places you would go on your new wheels. But fast forward a few years, and somewhere between your first date, traffic jams, and global warming, bikes just don't feel the same anymore.
This is Flux Electric Bike.
We started Flux because we found one of the ultimate joys of our childhood. At times it just felt like a grind. We're on a mission to put the fun back into cycling and more happy riders onto cycles. Flux is simple, just turn it on and go. In pedal assist mode, Flux is exactly like riding a normal bike, just easier and faster. Don't want to pedal? You don't have to. Just push the throttle and you'll speed through the city with no effort at all. The location of the motor is a key factor in making this bike so special. Unlike most electric bikes on the market, which have their motor in the hub, ours is located in between the pedals. This takes mechanical advantage of the bike's Shimano 9-speed gears, meaning you can climb hills easier and hit top speeds quicker. Couple this efficient drivetrain with an industry-crushing 17 amp-hour lithium battery, and you can flux for 46 miles on full power. The battery has a key lock for security and can be removed in a second. Take it with you and recharge wherever you want. It even features a USB port, so you can charge all of your devices on the go. By harnessing advanced technology and elegant design, Flux bikes are your wheels for the modern world, giving you the power to zip past traffic, explore further and climb higher than ever before.
We've put these bikes through their paces on the most challenging courses we could find. They're battle-tested and designed to take a beating. Stay in control with powerful hydraulic disc brakes and Suntour suspension. When you get to the bottom, you can just power back up in record time, ready to go again and again.
Today, bicycle is well regarded as a great transportation alternative for its eco-friendliness, healthiness, and affordability compared to traditional automobiles. However, many difficulties of riding a bicycle, such as riding on a hilly terrain and sweating, remain unresolved. We invented Sentinel Wheel to perfect bicycles. Sentinel Wheel is an all-in-one smart bicycle wheel, ready to transform a regular bicycle into an electric bicycle within few seconds. Any bicycle with Sentinel Wheel will give you all the freedom you deserve in your daily life as you move from places to places. Transform your mundane days into a better day within a few seconds. Sentinel Wheel's innovation and excellence make it simply incomparable to all other types of electric bicycles. Sentinel Wheel embraces an exclusive and unique dual motor system made to endure and outperform. Simply replace the used battery to a fully charged battery to reach far without having to charge. Sentinel Wheel utilizes pedal assistance system to give you full control over the amount of work you put into while riding. If you desire to not pedal at all, you can use a wireless throttle to operate the wheel. You may use exclusive smartphone app to fully utilize Sentinel Wheel through Bluetooth connection. Lock and unlock Sentinel Wheel for security. Check the wheel's status such as travel information and remaining battery. Track your trip and location through GPS. Detachable battery allows you to charge without having to carry your bicycle around at home or at work. Detachable components allow us to serve you better for maintenance. Let's say your wheel's motor breaks down. Don't worry, we will just ship you a new one. Plug it in and ride again. The unique tri-spoke design is the foundational source of Sentinel Wheel's greatness. It can embrace all the concepts we want to put into the product, such as dual motor system and detachable components. With this design, technological and visual capabilities are unlimited. Show us what you want. From inventing a great dual motor technology, all the way to putting the concepts into a bicycle wheel, it sure was a long journey for us. Through countless trials and errors, we were able to create today's Sentinel Wheel. In the end, we want Sentinel Wheel to help you have a better day as you move from places to places. Until we do so by offering the best transportation alternative, we will stay restless with our Sentinel Wheel.